get into the next secret. Secret number 2 is avoid traffic completely. How to get $11,453 a month without a single cent or second spent on traffic. All right. So traffic is the key to making money online. It is the lifeblood of your business. No traffic equals no sales. It equals no money, right? Makes sense. But I'm going to show you how you can avoid traffic completely. And you don't even have to worry about it at all. Now, how is that possible? Right? I'll tell you, this just keeps getting better and better, guys. That's because you're going to sell your products on places that already have a ton of traffic. Amazon and Etsy. All right. Amazon is getting 2.5 billion visits per month, with most of the people visiting being buyers. All right. They search on Amazon to buy. All right. Those are some of the stats right there, the most recent stat numbers that we have. All right. So you can avoid traffic completely because, like this product right here, on average, does 20 sales per day. All right. At a profit of $8.59 per mug over 30 days, that is $5,154 per month in net profits. Here's another one. This one doing 12 sales a day over 30 days with a profit of $8.59 per mug, $3,902 per profit per month. All right. Here's another one. This one does an average of 24 sales a day or $6,184 in profit per month net to your bank account. This one does 20 sales a day, $5,154 per month in profit. All right. These 4 mugs I showed you, they bring in on average $19,584 profit in a month. And that is just Amazon. All right. I didn't even get to Etsy yet. Following the steps in Secret 1, you can easily come up with these ideas and create designs in less than 30 minutes. But let's talk about Etsy now. Etsy attracts over 358 million people each month who go there also to buy. You see some of the stats right there. Etsy is growing like crazy. All right. Just like Amazon, people go to Etsy specifically to look for gifts and novelties. In fact, they're willing to pay more usually. If someone's actively looking for a gift for their mom for Mother's Day, Christmas, or just because, they get plenty of other designs to choose from, as you can see here. All right. Many of the designs are bringing in hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month. All right. How do Amazon, Etsy send you all this traffic? Well, search. Very simple. We saw before how you put in funny, I put in some stuff in Amazon here. You put funny mug 4 and you see all the different things that come up there for mom, for a man, for a woman, boyfriend, brother, boss, friend, son, grandma, dad. Etsy, same thing. Gift mug 4. It shows on there what comes up. Husband, mom, dad, neurologist. All right. It tells you what people are searching for. So don't forget Google. Google search. It shows you for coffee mugs for dads. When you put it in there, the first 3 results are for Amazon and Etsy. Even Google is bringing you traffic. All right. It's all free traffic, organic, we say. But here's the best part. You can profit from other people's traffic and ad spend. All right. So let's say someone searches Google for coffee mugs for dad. In 95% of the time, the top results will be products on Amazon or Etsy. And when a person clicks on the link, he or she will get to your product page. However, when they scroll down the page, and we will scroll down here, you scroll down, you see these details on the pages. All right. This is stuff I took screenshots at the bottom of the page. All right. They see the exact same sections. People who saw X also checked out Y. All right. See that circle there? You may also like that shows other designs on someone's product listing page. And if you have a good mug design, which you will, because I'm going to show you how to do that, a portion of the people will click to check out your mug. All right. So if you do a good job with your product listing, and like I said, I'm going to show you how to do this, you will become up in this recommended sections. So in other words, you can simply piggyback on someone else's organic traffic and even their paid ads thanks to Amazon Etsy. All right. Pretty cool. So this is what makes this business model different than anything else you've ever seen or tried. All right. If you want to start your own Shopify or dropship shipping store, you need to learn how to drive traffic. If you create your own product, you need to drive traffic. Even if you're starting to do something as easy as affiliate marketing, you still need to learn how to drive traffic. But when you're selling printed products like mugs on Amazon and Etsy, you don't need to worry about that at all. It is like having a store on some side street. You need to find a way to get people to look for you and find you, an ad, a flyer, or a billboard. But if you're like here on Fifth Avenue, New York, guess what? Thousands and thousands of people are walking in or walking by your store, and some of them will enter in to see what you're offering. Selling on Amazon and Etsy is like having your store right here on Fifth Avenue. All right, so stay into the end and see how I